All right, so we're gearing up right now for something that I've been thinking about doing for a long time. Basically, since I hit Jersey Bears, I thought, oh, this would be kind of a cool thing to do. But the problem with this is you have to find a place where it's set up for you. So we're kind of at a, I don't know if it's 100% legal for me to be doing this here, but we're gonna, you know, this is gonna, it's a whole construction site, and hopefully nobody comes and sweats us for being here. But we've got some Jersey barriers. I've been thinking about doing this forever. I've been wanting to do this forever, and I finally found the spot just by chance. And so I'm gonna try it, and hopefully we can do it before it gets too dark. But I'm gonna give her. So, good luck.
Shit, dude. Look at me. I have it. You're there, dude. Yes. That's it, dude. So close. That's it. So close.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah, dude.
Here we go. Go on. Focus. Straight up.
Yes! Woo! Woo! Look good, dude. That was fucking sick. Ah! Yes! Oh, dude. So sick. Oh my god. God, that's so gnarly, dude. I think we all did, huh? Woo! Holy shit. Yes!